Sirisha, you have done the training from eMarket Education. You just completed your SEO training and a part of PPC also you did before you just left to Germany for your internship.
Yeah.
And why did you go to Germany?
Basically, my internship was based on digital marketing. So I was here in India prior to the start of the internship.
Okay.
So since I was free in Bangalore, I thought why not gain some experience on digital marketing.
Okay.
And the best place I could find in and around my living area was eMarket Education.
Okay.
And I approached Mr. Ranjan. And I think we hit it off pretty well. He explained the concepts pretty well, and I was impressed.
Thank you.
I took the course.
Great. So right now you are placed at Cross-Pollen for the social media profile, and you did your internship from Germany.
Yeah.
I think you did it on the social media channel again, correct?
Yeah.
But that I think there was a difference the way that you learned over there and
Yeah.
what you are trying to practice over here today, correct?
Yeah.
So can you just a little bit talk on that part?
So in Germany, it was more about a shift from social media to online community. That's where most of the companies are going, like at least the big conglomerate companies. They're shifting from social media to something called an online community, which is again, the platform is their own platform, and they don't have to depend on another social media platform as such. But it more or less has the same attributes that a social media platform provides in the baseline. In Germany, the internship was based on moving from social media to an online community, and what main things needs to go on in an online community. Like it's, for example, gamification, like and a lot of other things like reviews, and making it more engagement factor wise. So that was the thing. After I came back to Bangalore, I'm doing the social media over here at Cross-Pollen for a client called SL ProPack, based out in Mumbai. So I manage their Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter accounts. And we do campaigns for LinkedIn and Facebook to concentrate on at the moment.
So how important do you find social media for today's brand building aspects, and what is that you find very potential in social media compared to the other channels?
Social media is where, basically, first of all, I think everyone is online more or less at any point of the day or during the day, more than on probably the company's website as such. So I think most of them want, at least like 80% of the affluent or the cosmopolitan people are online. So I think most of the business could grow, or at least you could gain the awareness to start off with on social media, be it B2C or B2B. Even for B2B, if you have to find probably some employees or something, most of them look it up on LinkedIn for their potential employers. So I think social media is quite important that way, not only to find employees but also to gain clients, because right now I've worked in Cross-Pollen for about 2 months and I've already got about 2 or 3 inquiries, or the first step leads that I followed up with. So I think that's quite a good way to go forward.
Very nice.
Just not maintaining your old client base, but also to gain your network with respect to leads and conversions.
And yes, coming back to the same statement, you did your internship in Germany, and now you are into a complete different ball game here,
Right.
working or playing around Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn.
Yeah.
So how is this learning, and what do you think is all these channels, and how different they are in terms of brand building? Like, what is the best you take care of it?
So in Germany, when I was doing it based on online communities, I was working on online communities, and this is like taking a step back. But whatever I've learned, an online community is a lot more ahead of social media at the moment. So taking a step back into social media, I can incorporate a lot of things that I learned to apply in an online community scenario to social media.
Yes.
And that really helps gain an engagement, because you're using the attributes that you've used here and you're taking a step back and giving the customers on social media itself.
Yes.
So that's a good strategy to play with to start off with.
And
Yeah.
and what are the skills you would recommend people or audience to have if they want to build up a social media career?
To build a social media career, I think communication is quite important.
Okay.
And being to the point is important, because you can write stories. A lot of them can write stories and build around that. But on social media, no one has the time to read a page length of stuff that you've written or a story behind that you've written. Everyone's looking to the point, something that is visually very attractive, because that's what really brings gains attention from a person who's just scrolling through
Okay.
their feed. And color plays an important role. So what I can say is you can't have everything put together, but if you're working in a team, having all these attributes together, you can start a business on social media, or you can even be a really good person to build your career on social media.
Okay, so you mean to say like how much I could take it up? It's like very important to have communication,
Yeah.
be very direct, and you should be very creative. I think
Yeah.
creative plays a very
Yeah.
important role, correct?
So maybe you don't have to know Photoshop to be creative, but
Yes.
at least getting the ideas right in your head and putting it across is really
I think
important.
yes, and I think beyond to this, if you want to get into social media, I think the skills or the understanding of the subject is very important. Like
Yeah.
yes,
And I think more importantly, social media is easy. It's not difficult, but it's more important that you understand the client that you're working for, and that's a lot more important than what your communication or your other soft skills that can bring. So if you
Okay.
understand the client well, you can deliver well to the client, and they'll be impressed with you at the end of the day. I think. Yeah.
okay. And just the last question.
Yes.
See, the careers has been more around SEO, PPC,
Yeah.
email marketing, and today the career is around SEO, so social media.
Yeah.
And that is what you are into.
Yeah.
So how do you find this as a career? Because I'm sure that this is a very tough question, because you have just entered into social media.
Yeah.
But how do you take yourself in this career on a long term?
Okay. I think social media is just not one thing. Social media also involves SEO, PPC,
Very nice,
and I think it's all together. Digital marketing is a whole thing, so you need to know a little basics. So yeah, probably you can be an expert in social media campaigns or running these campaigns,
Yes.
but in the end you need to understand SEO and PPC for it to grow. And the same if you're an expert in SEO, you need to know a little bit of social media as well. So it all goes hand in hand.
It's a more goes like interdependent. You
Yeah,
can
it's
say,
very
correct?
interdependent. I think digital marketing together is more important than just doing one particular thing, or at least having maybe your interest lies in one thing, but having knowledge of the other digital marketing attributes is quite important as well.
Thank you very much, Sirisha. Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to be very helpful for the audience, okay, who's going to look at this video.
Right.
And thanks for having the patience and sharing all your thoughts. And we wish you all the best for your social media career. Thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
so much. Thank you, Ranjan.